Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, this is the third part of how to make money from video editing. So in today's video I will teach you how you can earn money by giving services of corporate video editing. So let's get started and let's move towards Fiverr and let's see that there is a demand of this skill or not. So if you don't know about fiverr.com is one of the best graphic designing one of the best freelancing marketplace where you can sell your services and people can buy it. So this is Fiverr, and here I search for corporate video editing. Let's see. So as you can see, there is only 358 results available, and this is a very low competition gig. I will do amazing interview editing, corporate or YouTube video. Okay, I will edit the best corporate videos for your business and clients. Okay, let's analyze his gig. Let's see. So as you can see, 28 5-star reviews means he completed almost 150 orders, and in basic package he charged $30. This video will show the highlights of the client company edited in a professional and compiling way. 3 days delivery, 1 revision, up to 60-minute footage, up to 1 minute running time, color grading, sound design, mixing, etc. Company client overview, $150, and premium package he charged $30, and company client commercial, and this is the service he provides. And this is his portfolio and his reviews. You can check out his reviews, and you can also check out his gig description, and you can also get an idea from his description, his packages, but do not copy him, make your own. So in this way you can sell your services online. Let's move towards next. So I will do amazing interview editing, corporate and YouTube videos. In basic he charged $65, in standard $120, and premium $180. So so we analyze that he got 453 5-star reviews, means he completed almost 1500 to 2000 orders, and this is the demanding skill. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.